Among Earth's dazzling insects, the cicada stands alone, a profound master of time. It's more than an insect, it's a living countdown, a silent enigma ticking beneath our feet for 13, sometimes 17, monumental years. Then, with defiant precision, they emerge, not by the handful, but by the millions. This earth-shaking, synchronized spectacle is so immense, so deafening, it momentarily eclipses nature, transforming landscapes into vibrating, buzzing ecosystems. These are biological wonders, ancient survivors, ecological engineers, and nature's most extraordinary timekeepers, demanding our awe, not our fear. Cicadas are remarkable insects renowned for their distinctive, often deafening calls and extraordinarily unique life cycles. They belong to the order Hemiptera, suborder Ochrorhyncha, superfamily Cicadoidea, primarily within the family Cicadidae, with a few rare species in Tetragarctidae. While many insects live short, accelerated lives, cicadas are famous for defying this norm. Especially the periodical cicadas, which dedicate 13 or 17 years underground before their synchronized, mass emergence. With over 3,000 species found on every continent except Antarctica, most cicadas are harmless herbivores, drawing watery sap from plants using specialized mouthparts. They are broadly categorized into two main types. Annual cicadas. These appear every year, characterized by shorter, overlapping life cycles, and periodical cicadas found exclusively in eastern North America. These species emerge in synchronized broods after their extended subterranean dormancy. A cicada's body is typically composed of a head, thorax, and abdomen. They possess prominent, widely set eyes, short antennae, and membranous front wings. Their exceptionally loud song is produced by the rapid buckling and unbuckling of drum-like structures called tymbals, primarily by males seeking mates. They typically inhabit trees, feeding on xylem sap and laying their eggs in slits in the bark. Most cicadas exhibit cryptic coloration, blending seamlessly into their surroundings. While the vast majority are active during the day, some species call at dawn or dusk, with only a rare few known to be nocturnal. They don't sting. They don't bite. They don't destroy crops. What they do, with unparalleled intensity, is sing, loudly and ceaselessly. This resonant chorus, reaching over 100 decibels, among the loudest of all insects, serves a singular, critical purpose: survival. When millions emerge simultaneously, predators are overwhelmed, unable to consume more than a fraction. This remarkable strategy, known as predator satiation, ensures enough individuals survive to reproduce, thereby perpetuating their ancient cycle. Beyond their bewildering life cycle and deafening call, cicadas play a profoundly vital ecological role. Their emergence represents a sudden, massive infusion of food for a vast array of wildlife, including birds, mammals, reptiles, and even fish. Their discarded exoskeletons and, ultimately, their deceased bodies, enrich the soil with vital nitrogen, nourishing the forest ecosystem from the ground up. Furthermore, their very existence serves as a natural barometer, their internal clocks precisely tuned to soil temperature and subtle seasonal shifts, offering insights into environmental change. Cicadas defy our fast-paced world, proving that some of nature's greatest stories unfold in decades of quiet patience. They rise not alone, but in perfect, overwhelming unison, their ancient song filling the air. This isn't just a seasonal buzz, it's a living testament to nature's unwavering precision. When you hear that insistent hum, understand. It's the heartbeat of the forest, measured in years, a profound reminder that the most impactful moments are often worth the longest wait.